Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. My name is Surinder Raj, founder and host of Product Marketing University. Excited to dive into episode 1, what is product marketing? So, product marketing, or PMM for short, has taken the tech world by storm. In the past 5 to 10 years, companies large and small have recognized the need for it, with the amount of open PMM roles exponentially skyrocketing. But why is product marketing so crucial to a business's success? Overview. There are two halves to building a successful business. First is building a product that deeply solves a customer's problem. Second is getting that product in your customer's hands. So, for number one, product management typically owns that half. Product managers are at the center of building an incredible product that solves a big problem. They work to inspire engineers, UX researchers, product designers, data scientists, and more to build against a common vision and deliver something of value. Now, you can build the best product in the world, but if you can't get it into your customers' hands, then there's no point. That's where product marketing comes in. Product marketing sits at the center of product, marketing, and sales in order to bring products to market at scale. While the product manager is uber focused on the user's problems, product marketing managers center around the buyer. Product marketers are involved in every area of the funnel, from brand awareness to influencing a buyer's decision, all the way to ensuring customers are educated on the product and become raving advocates. They work with product management, sales, customer success, and the entire marketing team. So think growth and demand gen marketers, content marketers, marketing designers, marketers, and more to make it all happen. So, from a day to day basis, these are general questions that a PMM needs to come in and answer for every single product that they work on. Number one, who are we selling this product to? Number two, what's the pain that this persona has without our product? Number three, how does this product solve the persona's pain in a differentiated way? Number four, what business value and ROI does our product bring? Five, how does the buyer evaluate technology like ours? Six, how do we tell a unique story that sticks with this buyer? Seven, how do we enable our sales team to effectively sell to this buyer? Eight, what are other solutions in the market attempting to solve the same product as ours? And number nine, how do we create marketing strategies across the entire marketing funnel? Business impact of a PMM. So ultimately, a PMM is responsible for building strategies that answer the questions that I just mentioned. Now, if done successfully, PMMs can have clear impact on key business metrics, like brand awareness. So that's really understanding how many people across the globe know about your company or product. Then there's also pipeline generation. So that's how many leads or users have indicated interest in the company or product. There's also pipeline acceleration. So that's determining how fast we're getting users and leads to convert to becoming a customer. Then there's new customer revenue. So that's how much revenue are we bringing in per year from new customers. Then there's existing customer revenue. So how much incremental revenue are we getting from existing customers to spend more with our platform? And finally is customer advocates. So how many customers are we getting that will actually sell and continue to sell on our behalf? Functions of product marketing. So the main business functions that are typically owned within product marketing include product launches, which is a systematic process for letting the world know how much your company innovates while invigorating the sales team on how to sell new products and features. Then there's competitive intelligence. So from research all the way to enablement, understanding how the competition operates and creating effective strategies to win against them. Then there's messaging and positioning. So that's owning and communicating the unique story for each product within the company's portfolio. Then there's sales enablement, which is architecting the sales process, creating the right assets for the sales team to use at every stage in the process, and teaching them how to effectively use them. Then there's analyst relations. So that's keeping influencers up to date on the company and product direction and innovation so they can continue to recommend us to the clients that they work with on a day to day basis. Then there's customer marketing. So, like I mentioned, that's turning existing customers into advocates by creating education programs, processes for them to influence product roadmap and company direction, and getting them to sell on the company's behalf. Then there's technical PMM. So that's turning the technical aspects, think platform improvements, security, deep tech of our product to life through impactful storytelling, content creation, writing, and architecture diagrams. Then there's demo engineering. So that's bringing our product to life through visual storytelling and demos for the prospect to actually see the magic in action of our product. Then there's content marketing and thought leadership. So this is bolstering brand awareness by creating top of the funnel strategies like SEO, social media, corporate blog, press relations, industry reports, and more. And finally is website marketing. So that's conveying the power and value of the product through website copy and illustrations. Now that you've heard everything about what a product marketer does, what they own, what the goals are that they measure up to, let's go ahead and take a look at what it's actually like to be a product marketer with an example day. So here's an example of the calendar that I typically have in a given day. This is actually what my day looks like today. So today, I had an hour brainstorming assets and process for a particular stage in the sales process. So the stakeholders involved there were, of course, product marketing, but also go-to-market enablement, business value services, and solutions engineering. Then I spent half an hour outlining a website page that highlights our company differentiators. So we involved web marketing as well as content marketing in that meeting. Then I took half an hour to strategize how to take out a competitor in a specific sales opportunity. So we had sales leadership on the call, the sales representative who's on that specific opportunity, and the solutions engineer who's on that opportunity. Then I spent half an hour catching up with one of our solutions engineers to hear about active deals that he's working on and ways PMMs can help out. After that, I spent an hour doing an enablement session with our entire sales team to show them the new intel that we gathered on the competition. So the stakeholders involved there are sales leadership, sales reps across the entire business, and our solutions engineers across the entire business. Then I'm spending half an hour on a working session to organize new sales assets in the Sales Content Hub. We have a content hub that we use to aggregate all of our resources for our sales teams to use, and we've come out with a ton of content over the past few weeks. So we need to put them in the hub and organize it so that our sales team can find it easier and refer to it. And then finally, to end out the day, I have 30 minutes with one of our PMs to discuss and hear what's the latest with their product and determine the launch strategy for a new feature release that we have. So to wrap this all up, if you're new to PMM or looking to break in, it's a really exciting role. It's at the intersection of understanding the technical aspects of a software product to enabling sales to maximize revenue. And because of that, PMM is inherently a strategic role that needs to have clear understanding on the future of the company. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Tune in for more videos like this that dive into each function in more detail, understand what PMM interviews are like, understand how to find the right company that's best for you, how to climb the PMM ladder, and more.